Hey, what's going on, guys? Let's look at this problem right here. Here this question is asking, when the optical power incident on a photodiode is 10 microwatts and the responsivity is 0.8 amperes per watts, the photocurrent generated in microampere is what? So here the question is asking for the photocurrent. Now let's see how can we find it. First we have to know the equation for responsivity. That's given by, that's R, that's given by photocurrent, that's IP divided by incident power. Incident power is what? PO. Okay, now we are looking for photocurrent. So if we rearrange this equation, that's going to be what? We are going to have IP is equal to PO times R, and we have the incident power provided, that's 10 microwatts, and also we have the responsivity provided, that is 0.8 amperes per watts. So we can just plug it directly and find the final answer. So this is going to be what? 10 microwatts multiplied by 0.8 amperes per watts. So here watts cancels, we will get 8 microampere, and that's going to be the photocurrent. And that's how we do this kind of problems. I hope this helps. Thanks for watching.